Hey guys, welcome to Mechanic Built. This is Nick here, and what you're looking at is my brand new Ford Maverick. This was around the time when I just picked it up, so this was like one of the first things I just did was I just grabbed my GoPro and decided to just go on a random adventure. It was just kind of like one of those weekend things, so we go ahead and just started right up. I don't know if you guys could see here, it's got like almost 400 miles. So if you guys want to see where we took this Maverick for its first weekend out, stay tuned. So our first destination took us right in our own backyard at a car show. It's not a bad sized car show.
No, it's pretty good.
Yeah. Here's a newer Corvette. It's always, every time I go to a car show, there's some guy that's like, oh yeah, I'll just bring my Corvette. So from someone that grew up on Route 66 in Southern California, and going to a car show just like this just kind of brought me back home, and it felt like no difference here in the Pacific Northwest. However, Corvette owners, they still dress the same. I swear there's a forum on how to dress at a car show for Corvette owners, like, I don't know. But moving on. So our second stop took us to SatSop. I was told about this place. It apparently ran out of money back in its day, and you were left with these cool towers here, and obviously it's easy to drive up to, and we could get some really good shots with the Maverick here. And not only taking some drone videos, we just kind of like walked around in awe how, you know, this amount of money could just be left out in the middle of the forest. Jesus Christ. You realize how big those cooling towers are, dude. It's just freaking massive. It's still not fitting in frame.
Maverick looks good. Good job turning the wheels too.
I wonder if this was supposed to be meant for like the nuclear waste. The nuclear waste. Should park the truck right there and then like get a shot like of it just straight like this.
Yeah,
we should do that. What's in here? Security. Oh, they got a tractor in here. Got an old Chevy, a Ford, a Kohler generator. Yeah, this is like a maintenance thing, but it echoes. It's kind of eerie. Man, that thing is just so massive. And you got another one right there. Employees only beyond this point. So yeah, like they use this still.
Yeah.
I think it's a business park, but it's also a park that you can walk up.
Yeah.
So you can't be really exploring. Yeah, so as long as we don't go past that gate. After me and Rob got some drone video, we kept trekking west towards ocean shores. This is one of the very few beaches that I found here in Washington that we could drive on, so technically this is kind of off-roading, but let's see how the Maverick does on a little bit of sand. You could rent a horse.
A lot of people trying to rent horses.
Oh, what are we doing? Sorry. My Fusion had no problem. This thing is... I think I maybe got it in the wrong mode. I think that's the problem. So surprisingly for an overcast day, this beach was pretty busy, so me and Rob just decided to find a spot, relax, and just have some fun at the beach here, and figure out where we wanted to shoot the drone, because it was actually pretty crowded. Again, this was an overcast day, it was nice and cool, and it was raining even earlier at SatSop, so Maverick actually did pretty well, and I think what happened here that you saw earlier was a little bit of user error. Not turning off the traction control probably caused the Maverick to fight the sand a little bit more, but other than that, we made it to the spot and took some of these shots. is that? Like, seriously, like, oh yeah, you know, I drive a dually, but I can't afford 6 tires, so I only am able to afford Ford, because, you know, Dodge.
Yeah.
Can't Dodge it, ram it. Honestly, this wasn't the only weirdest thing that we saw on this road trip, because we passed by this road sign here, and, well, it's established in 2004, and if you've never been to Washington, it's a little town called Seabrooks, a brand new beach town that I swear to God looks like the Truman Show. I mean, honestly, I only came here because I saw on TikTok they had really good pizza, but walking through this town was kind of eerie. But we did find the pizza parlor, so we think. This is just, yeah, this is weird.
Yeah, it is.
So this is what the lobster. All right, Rob, go try a piece. Damn, how much you put on there?
A lot.
You that hungry, huh?
Yeah, dude, I'm hungry.
How is it?
Pretty good.
Good? All right. Damn, what happened to our pizza? Oh wait, we ate that too quick. Yep. Go get ice cream. Dude, that's, oh man.
Huh?
Dude, let's just walk around right over here real quick.
Yeah, what's the pizza one?
I was asking her like if they had a certain type of chocolate,
Oh.
which is like a honeycomb on the inside.
You did that?
Mm-mm. It don't feel like I'm in a town.
Yeah.
It feels like I'm in a theme park. No, I mean, I really appreciate it though. It's like, it's really nice, but it's just surreal. Maybe you get like 1 or 2 streets like this, but everywhere, downtown, the pizzeria.
Yep.
I want to go across the street to the town hall. It feels like I'm in the Truman Show. Go up to them and ask them like, what the heck? Why is everything so nice? I'm impressed. Oh, no. But you do know you're in Washington because there's Bigfoot right there.
Yeah.
After me and Rob decided to walk off our ice cream, I guess we decided just, you know, why not just hop in the Maverick and just check out the rest of this town because, you know, it's just too new and nice. So we hopped in the Maverick, and while Rob was in the passenger seat, we decided to look up the price of these homes. For this little town being in the middle of nowhere, these homes are going for 7 figures. I mean, I guess people really just want to live in a really nice town that reminds them of the Truman Show, but it also reminds me of home. This is like Rancho Cucamonga if the Home and Gardens like puked all over Rancho.
A little bit.
This would be the outcome. Am I? No, this is like, yeah, this is like, am I not wrong?
You're not wrong.
Because, you know, like, you get like little neighborhoods, but we're talking about a whole town here.
Yeah, that's true.
Like, I get it. You go in a neighborhood, it looks this nice, and you go out, then it's different.
Yeah.
It is, like, the city hall's exactly the same as these houses, dude.
True.
What, they got a communal fireplace?
Yep.
Dang. We finally decided to leave this twilight zone of a town to their next best feature, which is a beach just below the hill that we could also drive on. I mean, it's a nice town and all, but I somehow lost Robert and he somehow got ahead of me at the beach. He told me he teleported there, but I didn't really care. I was just happy to get out of that Bed Bath & Beyond of a town.
Need a ride? Sure. Let's get in.
If you guys made it this far in the video, consider hitting that subscribe button. Definitely hit that like button for us because it really helps out the channel, and also if you did subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell notification. Also, I just want to mention that our last video, well, a few videos ago, we did our first giveaway, and all you gotta do is comment in that video and get yourself a free pair of LED lights for your Maverick or F-150 or Dodge or whatever pretty much takes a 921, 922 bulb. But other than that, my name's Nick, and this is Mechanic Bill.